What's the meaning of customer? Customer. Customer.
Costumer. Costumer. The word costumer is a common misspelling of the word customer. A customer is a person who buys goods or services from a business. They are essential to the success of a business because they bring in revenue and help to keep the business afloat. Providing good customer service is important for retaining customers and attracting new ones. In today's competitive market, businesses strive to satisfy their customers' needs, wants, and expectations as much as possible to stay ahead of the competition.